Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying the motherboard VGA port actually outputs from the integrated GPU, and that the BIOS offers iGPU multi-monitor or GPU pass-through options. This is crucial because VGA alone may be inactive. Once confirmed, power down and install the discrete GPU while leaving the monitor on the VGA port to the onboard header. Make sure to connect PSU cables and note BIOS mode, UEFI versus legacy. Then boot to BIOS and keep a backup of current settings before changes. You now enter BIOS to enable integrated graphics and multi-monitor support. Set primary display depending on whether you want the VGA port to remain active or let the discrete GPU handle rendering. Once done, boot into the OS and install chipset and onboard GPU drivers first, then the discrete GPU vendor driver to avoid conflicts. Make sure to adjust PCIe lane speeds and integrated shared memory allocation so the iGPU has enough RAM for the VGA output, and save a BIOS profile to roll back. You finish by configuring the OS display settings to extend or duplicate using the VGA connected monitor, and then run a workload to check which GPU is rendering frames. Make sure to use vendor utilities to map applications to the discrete GPU if needed. Once confirmed, lock settings and run stability tests. If things go wrong, first reset BIOS to defaults and re-enable iGPU, update or roll back drivers. Swap the VGA cable and try a different monitor to isolate whether the issue is port, driver, or hardware related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.